客家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hello everyone, I am Joseph Lin, and here comes another Hakka song by Huang Zhenxing called Ban Ngai, which means restore to me or bring it back to me. Through his personal observation about his hometown, he wants to paint a vivid picture of how the rural beauty is being overshadowed by urbanization, how factories pollute the air, hiding the green mountains and blue seas, and buildings block the view of the moon and the rainbows, and rivers turn into dumps as well. In his powerful lyrics, Huang uses his song to remind people of the beauty and joyful paradise that it once was. Let's take a listen.
卖东卖西就一路，互把变做阮所长，一间一间太工厂，一支一支人总讲，带紧 JM 出门行，每日速度热昂昂，看唔到炎炎江山。蓝色甲太平洋，看唔到日后天空，心仍然太热光，大地一片灰蒙蒙，规日变到热昂昂。慢来，慢来，哎，慢来。白蓝蓝改天空，山墙墙改好风光。慢来，慢来，哎，慢来。线线轻轻改好水，请将你改好天窗。自言自由改发扬，将将改好。
来自台中石冈的黄振兴唱这一首《ban ngai》，也就是还我，来描述乡村的自然美景被迫都市化，工厂的空污遮蔽了青山和蓝海，楼房也挡住了月亮跟彩虹，连河川都变成垃圾场的这种场景。然后呢，唱出一种强烈的渴望，希望可以还我以前的美丽的地方，还我快乐的天堂。We really hope that through Huang Zhenxing's lyrics, we will continue to protect the environment and retain the beauty that it has given us. Thank you for listening to another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.